Welcome to Royco Flavor Family Favorites as we
bring out the flavor with Royco.
Love me tender, love me true. Oh, hello there, and welcome to Royco Flavor Family Favorites. Well, we're rapidly reaching the end of summer, so tonight's program is aimed at you guys who would like to end the braai season on a high note. Now, of course, if it's raining, well, you can stay indoors, use your oven and have a sort of indoor braai. Tonight's recipe is called Royco Spicy Tender Ribs, and the main ingredients are a couple of kilograms of ribs, some brown sugar, apple sauce, tomato sauce, and of course 1 tablespoon of Royco sardi mix to give your meal that unique Zimbabwean flavour. Right then, so before it has a chance to rain again, let's get into the preparation. The first step is to prepare a marinade for the ribs. We're going to be using some brown sugar, apple sauce, tomato sauce, lemon juice, garlic, wasabi mix, and some salt, freshly ground black pepper and paprika. And we're going to mix all those ingredients together until they form a nice smooth paste. All right, once you've got your marinade ready, pour it over the ribs. Of course, any braai master worth his sauce understands the importance of patience on this sort of thing, and you're going to have to leave the ribs to marinate for a couple of days in the fridge. Now, I would suggest, if you're going to have a braai this weekend with ribs, out in the kitchen at the end of the program and start preparing now. Once the ribs have been in the marinade for a day or two, they're now ready for either the oven or the braai. If you are doing them in the oven, lay your ribs on a suitable baking tray, pop them into your oven, preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, and bake for about an hour. But of course, the best way to do ribs is to pop them on the braai. But whichever way you decide to do them, remember to baste them frequently with your marinade. Et voila! The braai season ends in style. And here we have Royco Spicy Tender Ribs, marinated in an absolutely delicious sauce. I'm serving them up here with a nice fresh green salad, some bread rolls, a very tasty baked bean relish, and as a starter, a nice bowl of Royco tomato soup. Well, I hope you enjoyed tonight's recipe and that it'll liven up your next braai end. If you would like your own free copy of the recipe, write into us, Royco Flavor Family Favorites, P.O. Box 1038 Harare. If you've got pen and paper handy, we're about to give you a list of the ingredients so that you can copy them down. As for me, thanks for watching. I'm off to tuck into some of this stuff now. So until next time, happy braaiing and bon appétit.
Thank you for joining us tonight on Royco Flavor Family Favorites.
Bring out the flavor.